In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create this beautiful, soft, glowing eye look. We are using brushes from Start Makers. Please remember the brush numbers. I'm using Maybelline concealer. I'm using the medium shade. Sharpen your lower eyebrow line using sponge applicator and the upper eyebrow line. You can use even a flat brush. I'm using the sponge applicator. Apply the concealer. I'm covering the area that which is visible on the camera. Disperse the concealer using brush number 1. This eye look is suitable for very simple occasions. I'm using Faces Canada compact powder to settle the concealer. Pick this brown eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty palette and apply on the crease line. I'm using brush number 2 to apply the brown eyeshadow on the crease line. It is a flat brush. Use brush number 3 to soften the line. Move the brush back and forth. It will take time for the traces of the brown eyeshadow to appear on the crease area. Do it on the eye edge as well. Move the brush on the eye edge. Pick this eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty Baked Eyeshadow Palette. Use brush number 4 to apply the eyeshadow. This is a beige shining eyeshadow, looks very beautiful. Reapply the eyeshadow to darken. Do not cross the crease line. The eyeshadow should be within the crease. Use brush number 3 back again to blend the matte eyeshadow with the baked shining eyeshadow. We are using Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. I am applying a very plain liner, no wing, just a plain straight line. I'm using Faces Kajal to apply on the waterline. Wear false lashes. I'm wearing lashes from Swiss Beauty, Vamp lashes. Enhance the eyelashes. I'm using Hypercurl Maybelline Mascara to enhance my eyelashes. If you have liked this eye look, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button now. And we are done.